Hi, I'm Al,
And I'm Jeannie
and we're cruising through life.
with Al and Jeannie.
All right, we got a great room 2503 in the Marriott Biscayne Bay Marriott. And hi, Jeannie. And we have a little balcony out here when you first walk in the door. Actually, nice breeze out here. We got two pools out here. We've got a little bar set up. We're on the 25th floor. Nice places to sit outside and relax. Little marina down here. We are getting ready to have a tropical storm kind of bounce right off us on this side, so that's why it's so windy out here right now. But nice room, very nice room. And they met us down and brought all of our stuff up here. We have a little refrigerator, which is kind of nice. There we go. Store things. Very nice hotel. Very nice hotel. You can watch our YouTube videos on there. That works out. You've got 3 drawers and another storage area there. You have a little coffee maker here with coffee and tea and various things, just like most hotels. And the bathroom looks pretty nice. And the corner room here, 2503, he said is one of the nicer ones because you have nobody next to you either. So you don't have to worry about people making noise next to you or anything else. And then you have a small little closet, which is perfect for us because we're only going to be here for one night anyway. Because 24 hours from now, I plan on being on the Carnival Conquest. And then we had a king-size bed. This is all attached to the DoubleTree Hotel. Really nice. Nice shopping area. Stores. Even have a pet concierge and boutique. We found in this little shopping area they have just about every single thing you could possibly want. Or need for your stay, especially if you're on vacation. They have a little Italian coffee boutique that is in here. Dry cleaners, Grand Trading Post. A lot of little shops like this one's just turnkey remodeling service. They have a restaurant, a very nice restaurant, I might add. If you like, you might want to rent a Lamborghini, take yacht tours, jet skis, helicopters. They do all of that right in there as well. And again, this is all attached. to the, this is Primo's Restaurant. This is all attached right to the hotel. Another car rental place. Inside of our hotel, they also have a Hertz rental. Here's the DoubleTree Grand Hotel, which is attached to our hotel, so it's kind of nice. You can go through and use all the amenities that they have at theirs as well. More little clothing stores. Here we have a little pharmacy. It has everything from essential oils to the basics that you may need. It's the nice thing about here, they do have just about everything that you could possibly need. Phone store. You need to mail something back home. Western Union to get money. Lots of clothing stores. And here, I thought of Deb Dancer as soon as I seen this. They've got mixed juices. They make obviously everything you would need. I think it's perfect for Deb Dancer right there. You guys may want to consider this if you do ever decide to come down and spend the night before. This is a cute little bar that they had last night. They have pizza and stuff I believe they probably get from next door. And yeah, nice little bar. This is where we went last night, and this place was great, I have to say. We had two of the best sandwiches we had last night. Hi. And attached to that little cafe and bakery is a liquor store too. So again, it's got just about everything you'd want. And then they have a Starbucks, which is not open yet. I am really surprised. Chinese. They've got the Tony Chan's Chinese sub shop. How you doing? Good, good. This is our room up there somewhere. One of the corners there. 25 floors up. Somewhere right over that way is the Carnival Conquest. Oh, it's a beautiful morning out here. Have a little art gallery. Chiro Fit. I would guess it's a chiropractic area, I would think. Again, everything's closed this morning. Let's see what time they open up. What time do you guys open?
8 o'clock.
Okay, thank you. Cigar, cigarette shop. Another boutique. Spa. Need to get your hair cut for your cruise. They got it all right here. Beard trims. And this door here will bring you right back into the Marriott.